Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off vibration for WhatsApp messages, an updated method that works with the latest version of the app. If you've been looking for a way to stop your phone from buzzing every time a message comes through, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a quieter and more customized notification setup. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you'll see the most accurate options. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will notice 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This icon opens up your menu. From the menu, choose the option labeled Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find different categories that allow you to manage your account, chats, and more. The one we need today is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to move forward. Now you'll see several sections for message settings, group notifications, and call alerts. Focus on the message notifications section. Within that section, locate the option called Vibrate. This is the setting that controls whether your phone vibrates when you receive a WhatsApp message. Tap on Vibrate, and a small pop-up menu will appear with different options. You'll see choices such as Default, Short, Long, and an option to turn it off. To disable vibration completely, simply select Off. Once you've done that, the setting will automatically save, and from that point on, your phone will no longer vibrate when a new WhatsApp message arrives. That's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for WhatsApp messages. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you're tired of constant buzzing, or if you prefer to rely only on sound or visual notifications. If you want to fine-tune your experience even further, you can explore other notification settings while you're in the same menu. Now you can enjoy using WhatsApp without unnecessary vibrations interrupting your day.